Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Troll. I am Crypto Troll, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies for beginners. And today, man, we're going to talk about the metaverse and why I believe, I'm doing something different today. I'm just going to just kind of give a spiel on why I believe the metaverse will be big in the future. And not only the metaverse, but NFT play to earn games or play to earn games and also NFTs that have utility though, because in my personal opinion, I believe NFTs that have utility will be a major game changer in the crypto space going forward, and it will be an economy of its own. So I'm going to get into that. I'm going to just show a couple articles going into depth about the NFT play to earn space. But before we do that, man, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're growing the channel out. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. And we're going to get straight into it today, just like this. So the first article I found on Yahoo News, it's pretty much an article talking about crypto gaming, the industry's funding boost. So the workplaces, job platforms, and social media of the future could be couched in online gaming. I want to skip down to this paragraph where it says based around the concept of play to earn, player owned ecosystems in gaming is one of the fastest growing sectors in the world of crypto and is racking in funding. Some predictions put the metaverse, a virtual reality space in which users can interact with the computer generated environment and other users at 250 billion to 300 billion market cap by 2025. And I just want to go over to coin market cap. And this is not the entire estimate because it is some play to earn games that own coin market cap, but this just gives us an overall general estimate of what's on the market cap. And we can see currently the gaming tokens is at a $16 billion market cap. And they said on a Yahoo article that it's projected to go to $250 billion by 2025. So that's just 4 years away, man. We already know a bull market happens every 4 years. So the next bull market is projected around 2024. That's when the Bitcoin halving happens, and that's usually when the next bull market. But let's just say 4 years from now, we're going from $16 billion to 250 to 300 billion dollars in 4 years. And that's a major increase in market cap in just 4 years. And I believe, like I said, I believe the play to earn sector is going to continue to grow, man. Just look at all of these projects, the different things that they are offering. And I'm not saying that all projects will be, game winners, but when you do your own research and figure out what projects will be winners in the space, you can really 10x or possibly 100x your money in that particular project. So I'm very excited to see what's next, man, for the play to earn sector. So I want to continue reading it and I want to go down and pretty much the concept of it. So the concept of play to earn. So if you haven't, this is just one concept. So users mint, purchase, and sell items with the game creators, taking a small commission from trades. NFTs generate rewards of in-game currency tokens, which can be moved to exchanges and sold for other tokens such as Bitcoin, ETH, or fiat currencies such as the dollar or pound. The tokens derive their value from their usage in gameplay. So that's what play to earn games are, and also NFTs with utility. So the regular NFTs are pretty much just art where you collect. And I'm not saying that NFTs are, or those specific NFTs don't have value, but I feel like NFTs with utility have more value because you can use those NFTs to create more or generate more currency while the NFT itself appreciates in value. So that's my personal perspective on it. And like I said, this is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion on things. But that's what you can do with these play to earn games. You can use NFTs or whatever the item may be. You can use it to earn currency in the game. And you earn that project's currency, and you can send it to an exchange and trade it for real money. And that's how people are able to make a living off of play to earn games. So we're going to continue in the article, and it says sometimes referred to as Gamefi, platforms work to turn regular users into decision makers. It is essentially a player-owned economy in the trading of NFTs. Systems are implemented through governance tokens, which give the player the power to take the part in the game's development and fund allocation in a transparent system. Players can also receive a share of the game's revenue. So Axie Infinity, that's one, the top game in the play to earn sector right now. And in recent weeks, Axie Infinity has been propelled to the top of the NFT market, having seen its native crypto token rally by 2,100% since the beginning of July. It now boasts a market cap of 7.5 billion as of October, with more than 2 million monthly users every day, man. So Axie is going crazy. We already know that. And in the game, players can buy, breed, and play monsters called axies against each other to win in-game currency. These are called small love potions and can be traded for fiat cash. Axies are NFTs and can be bought and sold across exchanges outside of the metaverse. So that's what I mean with NFTs with utility. You can sell the NFTs, but in the meantime, in between time, while you're not selling them, you can actually use them to battle and earn, sleepy love potions. So that's major because you can actually create more wealth as you're waiting for that asset to appreciate. So we also see what I said already. In order to battle within the game, users must own 3 of these creatures, and these are sold from around $200 and have gone for as much as $130,000. The platform takes 4% for every in-game transaction. So we see the game is currently one of the top revenue generating protocols in crypto, second only to ETH, with more than 850 million in revenue generated from in-game transactions over the last year. So we see, man, play to earn games is generating and is creating volume in the crypto space. And it's going to continue to turn over that volume just because of so many in-game transactions. Like you got, the selling of axies, then you got, battles and people cashing out on their sleepy love potion or whatever crypto that project has. So I love this specific business model of play to earn games, but this isn't the only model of play to earn games. I'm personally investing in something called DeFi Kingdoms. If you watch my channel, I'm invested in DeFi Kingdoms. I believe in it. And that's why I'm invested in it, because the NFTs have utility and you can actually earn a passive income in this just by, playing the game and, actually creating liquidity on the platform. And that's another video. You can check out my Web 3.0 series. So let's get back to it. But we see also a lot of big money players are putting their money where their mouth is and investing in play to earn games. Earlier this month, Axie Infinity announced it had raised $152 million at a $3 billion valuation in a Series B round of funding led by VC firm Andreessen Horowitz. And I know he's like a big VC person, in the VC world. And that's crazy, man, because we see these VCs, these venture capitalists coming in and putting a lot of money into it. And we also see some big names like Acel, Samsung Next, and FTX, man. So big names putting money into this project, into the Gamefi, into play to earn games. And then we can see, so this Axie Infinity, this particular play to earn game, it became popular in the Philippines and users began to make a living off the play to earn model. Some players make between $200 and $1,000 per month, man. So just depending on what you invested, they're making between $200 and $1,000 per month. And me personally, like I said, I'm invested in DeFi Kingdoms, and in DeFi Kingdoms, currently in my liquidity pool, I'm making about $100 a day. And it gives you a specific website you can go to that shows you what you're making in a liquidity pool. But that's what's the power in cryptocurrency right now, especially with the play to earn game sector growing so fast. So I just want to show another article, and it pretty much is saying half of the unique active crypto wallets play a blockchain game in Q3. So half of the unique wallets, man, play a blockchain game. So I'm just showing you the growth of blockchain games. And in-game NFTs have generated $2.3 billion in sales over the past 3 months, and Axies are the top sellers. So Axies is, like I said, is the top gaming platform as of right now, but it's multiple games that you can get in right now and get a good return on. So the number of crypto wallets participating in blockchain games has surged in recent months, according to a new research. According to DApp Radar's Q3 blockchain game report, unique active wallets connected to gaming decentralized applications reached a total of 754,000 for the period. This represents almost half of the industry's activity, with the blockchain industry registering 1.5 million daily unique active wallets on average over the 3-month period. So this is crazy, man. That number is crazy. I'm telling you, blockchain gaming is here to stay, especially with even just, let's not even include just crypto space. Let's just include gaming in its entirety. You know, people game daily, and just wait till they figure out, like, man, I can game daily and also earn money while I enjoy playing the game. So that's why I believe play to earn games is here to stay, and it's just the beginning of it. I believe it will continue to grow, and we've seen the projections on Yahoo. We've seen the potential play to earn games have. So I'm very excited to see what's next. So also, this was another thing I want to read in the article. The increase in gaming activity has been driven largely by the play to earn movement and in-game NFTs. These in-game NFT collectibles generated $2.3 billion in sales during Q3, and the research added that this represents 22% of the total NFT trading volume for the period. In the midst of all the euphoria around ETH collections like CryptoPunks and Bored Ape Yacht Club, the role that NFT in-game items play may be overlooked. And I also believe the same, man. Like I said, I'm only buying NFTs that have utility, or NFTs that are in game, just because not only could sell the NFT as it goes up. And I always say this, I just want to continue to reiterate it, but you can wait and let the NFT increase in value, but you can also, while it's increasing in value, you can use it. You can use it to generate more money and more tokens, or whatever project it is. So that's why I'm such a big person on in-game NFTs, just because of what I believe the future will be around it. So the last thing I want to show is, in late September, Axie pretty much enabled staking for its native token, and it pretty much adds another passive income. And that's another reason why I like play to earn games, just because not only Axie does this, but DeFi Kingdoms, the game that I talk about, does this as well. On DeFi Kingdoms, you have, heroes. You can deposit your money into the bank, which, pretty much gives you a percentage of the trade, 1/3 of trading fees. And also you can deposit your money into a liquidity pool. So it's pretty much a one-stop shop, man. And that's why I'm so deep into the gaming sector and play to earn games. That's why I'm such a big proponent on play to earn games. That's why I love play to earn games, just because you can make your money work for you while also holding the asset, man. And I believe that's going to be the future. I believe the metaverse will be the future, just because anybody could do it, and it's done right from the comforts of your home, and it's an entirely new world, and it's also fun, it's interactive. And I believe that's what my kids, my grandkids, that's how they're going to generate more money and build wealth, through this metaverse, and eventually through play to earn games, because I believe this is just the beginning of it. So I'm Crypto Tro. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, man. The link will be in the description. And also make sure you subscribe to the page, like the video. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Like I said, play to earn games is the future. The metaverse is the future. Make sure you do your own research, but find projects in those. You're going to make some good games, man. And this is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion. So I'm out of here. Crypto Tro. That's my video.